You need to hear this if you're dealing with chest pain from angina. Let's dive into how your diet can help. So, what's angina? It's when your chest hurts because of decreased blood flow to your heart. It feels tight, dull, or heavy. Not fun, right? Treatments usually involve meds and sometimes surgery, so why does it happen? Narrowed arteries from fatty buildups. But did you know a vitamin E deficiency can be a culprit too? Vitamin E is like your heart's bodyguard, keeping those cells safe and sound. So how do we fix it? Step 1, ditch the refined grains. Step 2, load up on vitamin E-rich foods. Think nuts, seeds, whole grains, veggie oils like wheat germ and sunflower oil and those leafy greens. Before we get to a tasty meal idea, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now imagine a hearty spinach salad with sunflower seeds, almonds and a drizzle of wheat germ oil. Delicious and heart happy. Stay healthy and see you next time.